Listen guys, a fan told me that his car vibrates very much after starting. He was going to repair it. I said don't be in a hurry. Why are you wasting your money? Let me check it for you. Let's go find out what the reason is today. Come on, get in the car first. Try starting the car. Depress the clutch. Start up. Come here, look. The tachometer pointer fluctuates high and low. Just like this. But the water temperature light next to it is normal. Do you know why? Actually, it's just that the throttle valve is dirty. Let's go to the front. When many people hear that the throttle valve is dirty, they just go to the repair shop. If you go to a repair shop, the car can't be repaired without $3,000. Today I will teach you how to clean the throttle valve yourself. This is the throttle valve. It is installed on the vehicle's air intake pipe. Let's remove this air intake pipe first. First, remove this screw. And then press this buckle. This way you can remove the intake pipe. This is the throttle valve. Wow, so dirty. No wonder the car is shaking. And it's also wasting gas. Next, we will clean it. First, get some tissues. Get another bottle of detergent. Spray it on a tissue. Then stick a paper towel into the throttle and wipe it clean. Wow, really dirty. Okay, throttle valve has been cleaned. Come here, look. It's been wiped clean, right? Let's install this air intake pipe back now. Install this pipe back first. Push harder. Then here. Put this buckle on. Finally, tighten the screws. Everything has been installed in the engine compartment. Let's get in the car and start now. Check if the engine is still shaking. If the engine doesn't shake, be sure to light up the little red heart on the right to support me. The next step is to witness the miracle of the moment. Depress the clutch and ignite. Look. The tachometer pointer has stabilized at around 800 revolutions per minute. The engine has stopped shaking. Fuel consumption will also be reduced. Really useful, right? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.